In this video, we will be discussing the Project Procurement Management knowledge area, which focuses on the processes involved in purchasing or acquiring products, services, or results needed for a project from external sources. The first process in Project Procurement Management is to plan procurement management. This involves determining what project needs can be met with available resources and what needs must be met by external sources. The second process is to conduct market research. This involves identifying potential vendors who can supply the needed products, services, or results and assessing their capabilities. The third process is to plan procurement. This involves developing a procurement statement of work that describes the products, services, or results needed, and developing procurement documents such as requests for proposal or bids. The fourth process is to conduct procurement. This involves obtaining the necessary products, services, or results from vendors through a vendor selection process. The fifth process is to control procurement. This involves managing the relationship with vendors, monitoring their performance, and managing any changes or dispute that may arise. The sixth process is to close procurement. This involves completing all procurement activities, verifying that all goods and services have been received, and closing out any open contracts. An example of the Project Procurement Management knowledge area in action is when a project manager is managing a construction project. The project manager would use the knowledge area to identify the materials, equipment, and services needed for the project and determine whether they will be procured from external sources. The project manager would then plan the procurement, development a procurement statement of work that describes the products, services, or results needed and identifying the potential vendors. The project manager would then conduct procurement, selecting the vendors who can supply the needed materials, equipment, and services. The project manager would then control procurement, managing the relationship with the vendors, monitoring their performance, and managing any changes or disputes that may arise. And that's it for the Project Procurement Management knowledge area. By effectively managing procurement activities, project managers can ensure that the necessary products, services, and results are obtained from external sources to complete the project successfully.